Hey y'all, hey y'all, welcome to the video. This is Toni with Eat and Travel with Toni. I hope that y'all are having a great day. So for this video today, we're going to be making a sweet potato pound cake. And I want to say it's going to be awesome. I'm pretty sure. I will show y'all the entire process. All the ingredients will be, of course, in the description of the video. So, of course, if this is your first time here, make sure that you, of course, subscribe and click the notification bell to receive all the videos that upload from this point here on out. And then, of course, if you've been here before, definitely welcome back. So let's get into making this sweet potato pound cake, y'all. Okay, y'all, I have gotten the sweet potato pound cake out the oven, and now I gotta flip this bad boy over to this tray. So, um, let's go ahead and get into this, y'all. Like I said, it definitely baked up pretty well. It looks dang good. Resembles almost like the pumpkin pound cake, cause it looks pumpkin is orange just like sweet potato. So it looks kind of the same, but it's all right. It smells dang on good up in here, I tell you that. So let me go ahead and get this, y'all. Put this on top of her. Because don't forget, you always have to have your, whatever tray you're going to put your cake on, set it on top of your actual container. I mean, your baking pan. And then just go ahead and, ooh, Lord, flip. Go ahead and flip. And always just hit the top. That's just me. There's always something I've done. So now I can't pick it up. There we go. Ooh, look good, y'all. Looks good. Y'all, this looks so tasty. Oh my goodness, you can see the bad boy. You can see all the steam coming off that bad boy. Oh my God, y'all, it looks so good, so good. Actually, let me turn this around on me for a second. Y'all, this cake looks amazing. Like I said, definitely when you're making your any kind of pound cake, you want to put the cake tray on top, the flattened bottom that you want to flip the cake over on. Put that on the top, and then go ahead and flip it, and it should come out just like this. I've had some stuck before, and I didn't put enough grease in, butter or whatever the oil I was using to, of course, grease the pan. I haven't had that happen. So I'm telling y'all, make sure y'all grease very well. So let's go ahead and look at this again, y'all. And I have not, of course, I haven't did the icing yet. I'll do that once this cake is cooled all the way down. And that's probably going to be tomorrow because it's almost 8 o'clock at night. So I'm going to let this bad boy cool down. And then, of course, get my butt on in bed soon. But like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this particular part of the recipe. Like I said, when I come back, y'all going to be seeing this bad boy ice. And I'm going to use cream cheese frosting. I'm going to make homemade cream cheese frosting for this. So just so it can go on top. So it looks awesome, y'all. Let me show y'all. Let me walk this around. Like I said, it looks good, y'all. Looks doggone good. Doggone good. Can't tell me they don't look good, y'all. Oh my goodness. Proud of myself with this cake, y'all. And it smells so good because I love sweet potatoes. It smells so good up in here with cinnamon and sweet potatoes. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead, y'all. And like I said, I'll be icing this bad boy once it cools all the way down in the next day because I got to go to work tomorrow. So it will not be done until tomorrow, either tomorrow evening, probably sometime tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening. But you will definitely see it, y'all. So stay tuned for the icing, for the frosting, icing, same doggone thing of the cake, y'all. And like I said, I'm going to make a cream cheese frosting, or I guess I should say icing, that I put on top. So like I said, watch it. Here it comes next. Hey y'all, I'm back quickly with the sweet potato pound cake to go ahead and get it icing. So like I said, I got the cake out the fridge. It's been in the fridge for about a day, and like I said, it's cold. So of course, when I put the icing on, it shouldn't run. So let's go ahead and get into this, y'all. Let me go ahead and get on into this. I already got my icing in the bag. Let me turn this light on back here. I already got my icing in the bag, y'all. So I just got to cut the bad boy. I did not put a tip in the bag. I didn't feel like putting a tip in the bag, so. But it should be okay, because I've done this before, y'all. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. All right. Jesus pieces. Okay, here we go. And like I said, I'm just dropping the icing any kind of way on here. I'm not making any rhyme or any reason. But you can do it as you may like. That's up to you all. But like I said, I'm just doing it like this, y'all. And I actually don't mind the little swirly patterns, actually. It looks kind of cute, actually. I don't mind it. Y'all may mind it, but I actually don't. Think it looks adorable. Think it looks adorable, y'all. Think it looks adorable. Think it looks adorable. So like I said, this is how I'm icing in mine. And you can actually just put the icing on top if you want, or just spread it on top, or spread it on the whole cake. You don't have to do swirlies or anything along those lines at all, especially if you don't know how or if you don't like it. Like I said, this did not include a piping tip. I didn't feel like getting the piping tip, so I'm just winging it right now, y'all. I didn't feel like trying to get out my piping tip. Because I'm actually still technically, well, I just left work, so I'm trying to hurry up. So I got a dental appointment coming shortly, so I'm trying to go ahead and get that done and then get my appointment done too, y'all. So I'm going to have my beautiful teeth looked at. So, yes, yes. All right. And that's how this going to be, y'all. This bad boy is going out tonight. Uh-oh. So, I wasted some icing over. I'm just trying to wipe it off. All right, y'all. Like I said, the cake is done. Like I said, this is how this bad boy will look. Like I said, it's definitely icing to the way I want the icing. You can ice it however you want to ice it, and I put it that way. Or frosted, or you want to just make a powdered sugar and dairy or water drizzle, you can do that too. So, like I said, this is how mine gonna look, y'all. So, y'all, I thank y'all for watching this video on how to make this sweet potato pound cake. Then, of course, get the icing. So, with that, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to Eat and Travel with Toni. I'll see y'all in the next video, y'all. And make sure that y'all, of course, subscribe and click the notification bell to receive all the videos I upload from this point here on out. So, peace out, y'all. Have a good one. I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh, and if there's anything that you want me to make, cake-wise, sweets-wise, desserts-wise, put that in the comments. I definitely want to make a list of things to make for y'all, for those who are, of course, looking and watching. Of course, get your treats on down at the bottom. Like I said, definitely let me know, and I'll shout you out as well once I do make it. So like I said, thank you, y'all. See y'all in the next video.